invalid mailbox syntax is used in the reply to field on contact form 7 for WordPress plugin. How to fix this? It's actually quite very easy. When we are looking at the mail tab, invalid mailbox syntax is used in the reply to field, and you're thinking to yourself, you know what? All the information there is correct, as suggested by contact form 7 help section, and thus validation errors occur. How do you fix it? Press on Forms tab and make sure the email field that you have on your contact form 7 for the email portion actually is not text or something else, but rather it's email. As soon as you change that and update that and press Save Changes, then contact form 7 validation errors for invalid mailbox syntax is used in the reply to field will be gone and fixed. And that is how you fix it. I thank you very much for learning with RankYa. If you want more WordPress related tutorials, subscribe to RankYa YouTube channel, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.